Hi boys and girls, welcome to today's activity. So today we are going to play a new game called Mystery Bag. So I have a mystery bag and in there are 3 objects. The 3 objects are going to begin with the same letter. It is your job to help me figure out what that beginning letter is. Do you think you're going to be able to help me? All right, get your listening ears turned up and let's get started. So the first thing out of my mystery bag is a marker. Can you say marker? Good. The next thing is a picture of a man. So we have a marker and a man. The last thing in my mystery bag is a puzzle piece of Mickey Mouse. So we have Mickey, man, marker. What letter does all of those things begin with? Marker, man, Mickey. If you guessed the letter M, you are right. Marker, man, and Mickey all begin with the M sound. Good job, boys and girls. Are you ready for our next one? All right, I'm going to put some new items in my mystery bag, and I'm going to get ready. So the one item is too big, so I'm just going to show you it. This is called a Frisbee. Can you say Frisbee? A Frisbee is something you use to throw. The next item is a fork. Frisbee, fork. Let's see what the third item is. The third item is a fish. Fork, fish, Frisbee. Listen to the sounds. Fork, fish, Frisbee. What letter do they all begin with? If you guessed F, you're correct. Frisbee, fish, fork all begin with F like fun. Good job, boys and girls. All right, here we go. Here's our next one. Mystery bag. Okay, let's see. I wonder what letter we're going to have here. Our first item is called a tambourine. Can you say tambourine? A tambourine is an instrument. The next item I have is tape. Tambourine, tape. What is this, boys and girls? Sometimes we have this for lunch. Taco. Good, so let's say them again. Tambourine, tape, taco. What letter do they all begin with? If you said the letter T, as in top, you are correct. Tambourine, tape, taco all have the T sound. Good job. All right, 2 more. All right, let's take a look at my mystery bag. My first item is a book. Bubble Guppy's book. My second item is a bear. Book, bear. What's my third item? My third item is a bowl. Book, bear, bowl. Take a second to think about it. Book, bear, bowl. What letter do you guess? If you guess the letter B, as in bat, you are correct. Book, bear, bowl all have the B sound. Good job. All right, are you ready for our last one, boys and girls? No peeking. Okay, Okay, here we go. Let's see what's in our mystery bag. So my first item is a plate. Plate. The second item is a slice of pizza. My third item is a picture of Pluto. Let's take a look again. Plate, pizza, Pluto. Take a second to think about it. Plate, pizza, Pluto. What letter do those three items begin with? If you guessed the letter P as in pan, you are correct. Plate, pizza, Pluto begin with the P sound. Boys and girls, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had fun. You can do these things around your house too. You can ask mommy or daddy for a bag. It doesn't have to be this kind of bag. It could be a plastic bag or any type of bag. You can find objects that all start with the beginning sound and you can play just like we played. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me via the Remind app. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.